this ancient rule. O Benedict, I hear across the years thy voice that I know well. I cannot be but what I am, and when upon the years the sound of thy command to history breaks from these pages that the ages old have copied and passed on, I hear thee call from Subiaco's cave to wonders told of fires and quakes and stillness very small. Bid me return, O saint of childhood's bliss, and shelter from the words of many men. For I have seen again in reading this a cloister that did hold me safely then. La Trappe, the sound of soundless days. All others deafens in its tranced days.